Who was the first Indian to qualify for the Indian Civil Services? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Satyendranath Tagore. C. Romesh Dutt. D. Rabindranath Tagore. And the answer is Satyendranath Tagore. In 1983, Swami Vivekananda participated at the Parliament of World Religions held in A. New Delhi. B. Chicago. C. England. D. West Bengal. And the answer is Chicago. The octal number system has a base A. 2. B. 4. C. 8. D. 10. And the answer is 8. Who was the first Indian to enter into space? A. Rakesh Sharma. B. Vikram Sarabhai. C. Rajesh Sharma. D. Kalpana Chawla. And the answer is Rakesh Sharma. Fatehpur Sikri was founded as the capital of the Mughal Emperor by A. Babur. B. Humayun. C. Jahangir. D. Akbar. And the answer is Akbar.
Who was the court poet of Samudragupta? A. Banbhatta. B. Harisena. C. Chand Bardai. D. Bhavbhuti. And the answer is Harisena.
Which among the following comet is seen every 75-76 years? A. Halley's Comet. B. Holmes Comet. C. Donatus Comet. D. Orion. And the answer is Halley's Comet. Notes: Halley's Comet is one of the most famous comet. It is a periodic comet. It returns to Earth's vicinity about every 75 years, and this makes it possible for a human to see it twice in his or her lifetime. The last time it was here was in 1986, and it is projected to return in 2061. Which among the following is not a gulf in the Pacific Ocean? A. Gulf of Alaska. B. Gulf of California. C. Horky Gulf. D. Gulf of Mannar. And the answer is Gulf of Mannar. Notes: Gulf of Mannar is not a part of the Pacific Ocean. It is a large shallow bay forming the part of the Laccadive Sea in the Indian Ocean. It lies between Sri Lanka and the Coromandel Coast region of India. Perissa Black Sand Beach is located in which country? A. Thailand. B. Vietnam. C. Bahrain. D. Greece. And the answer is Greece. Notes: Perissa Beach is located on the island of Santorini in Greece. This beach features black sand and crystal water. Stars are mainly composed of which two elements? A. Nitrogen and oxygen. B. Oxygen and hydrogen. C. Nitrogen and helium. D. Helium and hydrogen. And the answer is helium and hydrogen. Which among the following galaxies looks like a flattened ball? A. Irregular galaxy. B. Spiral galaxy. C. Elliptical galaxy. D. Spiral barred galaxy. And the answer is elliptical galaxy. Which among the following are gaseous planets? A. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. B. Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. C. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. D. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And the answer is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Who discovered the first pulsar? A. Edwin Hubble. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Fred Hall. D. Jocelyn Bell. And the answer is Jocelyn Bell. Notes: A pulsar is a highly magnetized, rotating neutron star that emits beam of electromagnetic radiation. Professor Dame Jocelyn Bell Burnell discovered the first pulsar in 1967. Which geologist published Our Wandering Continents? A. Alfred Wegener. B. Alex Dutot. C. Harry Hughes. D. Mackenzie. And the answer is Alex Dutot. Notes: Alex Dutot published Our Wandering Continents in the year 1937. He supported Wagner's continental drift theory and further studied the Gondwana landmass. Which among the following is the highest mountain in Europe? A. Mount Elbrus. B. Alps. C. Finn. D. Bramwald. And the answer is Mount Elbrus. Notes: Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain in Europe. It is about 5,642 meters. It is located in Russia. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.